happy Valentine's Day. My name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to fold paper into the shape of a heart. Okay, to start you need a piece of paper like this. This is A4 size and you can write all your sweet nothings on this side, and then you want to fold it like this. So like that. Don't worry, this extra piece will be tucked in later. And then you want to do it again like that. So it makes that sort of shape. And then you want to tuck these in and make it fold like this. Just adjust the top a little bit. And then it should sit like that. And then you want to fold these pieces up like this, and this piece up like this, so it looks like that. And then we can fold these in and these in, and then it's gonna be turned over so it looks like that. And then we're going to tuck this piece up until it's straight with this triangle piece. And then just squish this side down. And you want to take this triangular piece and fold it down over it. And turn these into this little, there's like a space here for them to tuck in. I'm going to get them quite far in and squish it down. And then this side, do the same thing. There's like a little place to tuck it in. Here we go. And squish it down so it looks like that. And then these two pieces, you want to tuck them in here. So it makes the heart shape. And tuck this one there. There we go. That's what it looks on that side, and then they look like that on that side. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed folding hearts with me. Please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. And have a lovely Valentine's Day.